Hey, English learners. Welcome back to English Conversation Practice is me, Teacher Sam. Today's episode is something close to both our hearts, family time talks. We are going to watch how groups of people share their opinion on the benefits of cooking family dinners together. At the end, we are going to look at some of the key words from the conversation and how to use them in different contexts. So, are you ready? Let's watch how they talk about why family meals mean so much.
I remember when my children were young, our dinner table was like a stage. My daughter, Emma, would tell us about her day at school, acting out all the parts with dramatic flair. My son, Ethan, would make us laugh with his silly jokes. These weren't just meals. They were opportunities to connect. We learned about each other's lives, shared our joys and frustrations, and offered each other support. Meals can be a safe and loving space for families to communicate. It's a chance to put away phones, turn off the TV, and simply be present with one another.
Cooking together is also a wonderful way to teach children valuable life skills. From measuring ingredients to following recipes, they learn about math, science, and the importance of following instructions. But it's not just about practical skills. Cooking can boost a child's confidence and encourage creativity. It teaches them about different cultures and cuisines, and it helps them develop a healthy relationship with food. Even young children can help with simple tasks like washing vegetables or setting the table. As they grow, they can take on more responsibility, eventually learning to cook entire meals on their own.
In a world of fast food and processed snacks, it's more important than ever to teach children about healthy eating habits. With the convenience of fast food chains and the allure of colorful packaging, it's easy for families to fall into unhealthy eating patterns. However, instilling good eating habits in children from a young age can set them up for a lifetime of health and well-being. And what better way to do that than by involving them in the cooking process? Cooking together as a family not only fosters a sense of togetherness, but also provides an excellent opportunity to educate children about the benefits of nutritious foods. It can be a fun and interactive way to bond while imparting valuable life skills. When children help prepare a meal, they're more likely to try new foods and make healthier choices. This hands-on experience can demystify unfamiliar ingredients and encourage a more adventurous palate. By participating in meal preparation, kids gain a sense of ownership and pride in what they eat, making them more open to trying the fruits of their labor. They learn about different food groups and the importance of balanced nutrition. Understanding the role of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals in their diet helps children make informed choices. Parents can use this time to explain how each food group contributes to their overall health, growth, and energy levels. And they begin to understand the connection between the food they eat and how it makes them feel. Discussing how certain foods can boost energy, improve mood, and enhance concentration can motivate children to opt for healthier options. This awareness can lead to better eating habits that last a lifetime. Cooking at home also gives you control over the ingredients. You can ensure that the meals are made with fresh, high-quality ingredients, free from harmful chemicals and additives. This control allows you to cater to any dietary restrictions or preferences, ensuring that everyone in the family can enjoy a nutritious meal. You can choose fresh, whole foods and avoid unhealthy additives, preservatives, and excess sugar and salt. By prioritizing whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that support your family's health. This approach not only benefits physical health, but also sets a positive example for children, teaching them the value of mindful eating and the joy of nourishing their bodies with wholesome foods.
Some of my fondest childhood memories involve cooking with my grandmother. The kitchen was our special place, a sanctuary where time seemed to slow down and the outside world faded away. It was in that cozy kitchen that I learned not just how to cook, but how to appreciate the simple joys of life. She taught me her secret recipe for apple pie, a recipe that had been passed down through generations. Each step was a lesson in patience and precision, from rolling out the dough to carefully layering the apples. The aroma of cinnamon and apples baking in the oven would fill the house, creating an atmosphere of warmth and comfort. We would spend hours in the kitchen, laughing and sharing stories as we baked. The stories she told were like threads weaving together the fabric of our family history. Each tale was a piece of our heritage, a reminder of where we came from and the values we held dear. These weren't just cooking lessons. They were lessons in love, tradition, and the importance of family. Through her guidance, I learned that cooking was an act of love, a way to bring people together and create lasting memories. The kitchen became a place where generations connected, where the past met the present, and where the future was shaped. The memories we created in the kitchen have stayed with me throughout my life. They are a source of comfort and joy, a reminder of the love and warmth that surrounded me as a child. Whenever I bake that apple pie, I feel her presence, guiding my hands and filling my heart with love. Family meals can become cherished traditions that are passed down through generations. These meals are more than just food. They are a celebration of togetherness, a time to reconnect and share our lives with one another. Each dish carries with it the love and care of those who prepared it, making every meal a special occasion. Whether it's a special recipe, a holiday feast, or a simple weeknight dinner, these moments in the kitchen are opportunities to create lasting memories. The act of cooking together fosters a sense of unity and belonging, strengthening the bonds that hold us together as a family. Or simply a weekly ritual, these shared experiences become the foundation of our family traditions. They teach us the importance of working together, of supporting one another, and of finding joy in the everyday moments. These shared experiences create a sense of belonging and strengthen family bonds. They remind us that no matter where life takes us, the love and memories we create in the kitchen will always be a part of who we are. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It is the heart of the home, where love is shared and memories are made.
Cooking a meal together is a team effort. Everyone has a role to play, from chopping vegetables to setting the table to cleaning up afterwards. This teaches children the importance of cooperation, responsibility, and contributing to the family. They learn that everyone's contributions are valuable and that by working together, they can achieve a common goal. Even small children can help with age-appropriate tasks. The key is to make it fun and engaging for everyone involved. Now let's look at the 7 key words from the conversation and how to use them in different contexts. The first keyword is bonding. Use it in different contexts. Family dinners are great for bonding with loved ones. Team activities at work help build strong bonding between colleagues. Next word is responsibility. Use it in different contexts. Cooking together teaches children responsibility. Managing finances is a significant responsibility for adults. Traditions is the third word, how to use it in different contexts. We follow family traditions like Sunday dinners. Cultural traditions are an important part of identity. Next is nutrition, how to use it in different contexts. Home-cooked meals offer better nutrition than fast food. Learning about nutrition helps you make healthier choices. The fifth keyword is teamwork, how to use it in different contexts. Preparing a meal requires a lot of teamwork in the kitchen. Effective teamwork is essential for completing group projects. Sixth word are patience, how to use it in different contexts. Cooking teaches your patience while waiting for the food to cook. Patience is crucial when learning a new skill. The last word is communication, how to use it in different contexts. Family dinners improve communication within the household. Open communication is the key to resolving conflicts. I want you to know that you don't have to be a gourmet chef to cook family meals together. Start simple. Choose a recipe that everyone will enjoy and that you feel comfortable making. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Cooking is a learning process, and even experienced cooks have their share of kitchen mishaps. The important thing is to have fun and enjoy the experience together. Even if you can only manage one family meal a week, it's a step in the right direction. The benefits of cooking and eating together are well worth the effort. And on that note, thank you all for joining us on this episode of Family Time Talks. We hope you're inspired to gather your loved ones in the kitchen and create something special. For more tip on the benefit of family homemade meal, click the first link from the description to download this best educational book on the benefits of homemade meal. Don't forget to drop your comments on the keywords you learned from this video, which you will use in your next conversation. Until next time, happy cooking.